Hello and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, December 9th. It is a Wednesday, so that means it's an async day. We will not meet together on Zoom. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll go to async. You have 2 activities to do. The first one is a MEL listening practice. Okay, you go to MEL and do that activity. And the next one is a Google Doc. So remember, you will click My Document. After you click My Document, you will click Edit. A lot of people are not doing that. You need to make sure you sign in using your Carlos Rosario email. Okay, so read the directions. You're going to read 3 letters, and you can use the advice phrases. Okay, all right. You put your advice under each one. And that's it for today. Good luck.